Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make your slime smoothie not as hard and more stretchy. So let's get this video started.
Ashley, fun time is the best fun time around.
First you want to take your slime and put it in its original container, and then grab a cup, like this one. You're going to take the cup and put some water in it. And you're going to add in some water slowly and mix it together. And then once it starts to feel really stringy, you want to take the container and you want to take the container and empty out the extra water and then mix it together with your hands really well. Now take some lotion, any kind will work, and then just start squirting the lotion all over the slime. You want to cover up most of the slime with the lotion, but just the top layer. And then start mixing it with your hands. Or just don't start, just mix it with your hands really well. Now you want to take your cup, again, the same one that has water in it, and you want to pour it on the slime again. We want to do this because water makes the slime stretchy, or stretchier than lotion does. So you just want to poke it around and stuff and just play with it with your hands again. Next you want to rinse the water out of your container and let it sit there for the water to dry out of it. Then take a different container and you want to put the slime into the container, and if your slime is too big, grab another one and just put that in there. You want to use different containers because you want the slime to not be soaking wet whenever you take it out again. So that's why we are putting it in a different container than our original one. After one day of letting the original container dry out, you want to take the slime in the container and start to play with it with your hands. Just to make sure it's still good. If it's not like good enough, then you want to put some more water in it. And then do the same thing over again. If you use 2 containers to keep your slime in, then you want to take the other one and put it with your slime that you took out first, like I'm doing here. Well, you want to play with it individually, kind of like one-on-one time, and then put it inside of the slime. Put the slime inside the slime, basically, is what I'm saying. And you just want to play with it for a while and poke it and squeeze it and throw it around, and yeah. Now take the original container that you dried out and put your slime inside of the container. So that is how you make your slime smoothie not as hard and more stretchy. Bye!